riding west on State Route 39 to Nashville, Ohio.
Nashville, Ohio.
About that. We talked about that this morning.
What?
You were talking about that this morning.
Yeah, it was on the map. And you got to speak up a little bit, or you want me to turn the volume?
I'm speaking up.
That's fine there.
How about now?
That's great.
All right, my hickey was down.
Your hickey was down.
Yeah, my microphone.
Your hickey was down. Huh?
Yeah.
I was going to say, it could barely hear you.
My microphone was down by my chin.
Then it kept going in and out.
That's probably why.
I talked to you, you wouldn't answer me.
Well, I was answering you, but you probably didn't hear me. Village Hall, look how small it is on your left.
Well, look at the big sign here. Welcome.
Nashville. Nashville welcomes you. So if you don't get to go to Nashville, Tennessee, just come to Nashville, Ohio.
That's it. Just don't blink.
Hey, it's over. They had a pizza shop.
Yeah.
That's all I saw. Pretty scenery, huh?
Yes, it is. That's what I said. I've kind of been wanting to come out this way. Because I remember when we come up here to do the kayaking and the wall too, remember?
Yeah. We talked about bringing your dad to that wall.
Yep. Too many plans and not enough time.
Yeah.